Russell Smith, and I am the Instructional Technology Facilitator for Fuquay Varina High School as well as Carpenter Elementary. And today I wanted to show you this neat website that allows you to dress up the pictures on your website. It's called THINGLINK, THINGLINK.com, THINGLINK.com. And what it is, it allows you to add links and images, and as well as links to videos to your website, to pictures on your website, so you can identify different features of your classroom, or maybe you could possibly use this to have identify features of different parts of the state or the world, all kinds of things. But I'm going to demonstrate how to use it for the purposes of your classroom website. What you need to do first is you need to sign into THINGLINK by clicking Start Now. And of course, as always, you want to have a free account. So you click Start Now under the Personal Free Account. And then you sign up with your name, your email, your password, and then you confirm your password, and then you click Sign Up for free. I've already signed in for an account, created an account, so I'm going to log in right here. And log in. And this is your dashboard that you usually come to when you sign into your account. And I'm going to show you very quickly how to create a THINGLINK image. Very easy. I think you'll find this very easy. Across the top right of the screen, you're going to see different tabs located here, but we're going to click on Create. And this is where we can upload images from your hard drive. If you're connected to Facebook, if you're off Wake County campus, you can import a Facebook video, you could import a public Flickr image, or you could paste in a link from a URL address. But in this case, I'm going to show you how to create a THINGLINK based on a picture you already have. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to look for a picture that's called Our Classroom. And the picture loads. So this is the classroom here. This is the default title here. I'm going to call this image, I'm going to call it Our Classroom. Actually, I'm going to call it Mr. Smith's classroom. Even though this isn't mine, this is one of the teachers at Carpenter Elementary, but I'm going to pretend it's mine for all intents and purposes. Now, to add a tag, all you have to do is you have to click on the picture, and it creates this little boundary box with the 4 nodes that you can stretch this way, that way. As long as you hold down the cursor in the corner, you can adjust the boundaries of the box, and you can also move it by using the crosshair. So for example, if I wanted to make this whiteboard a link, something I can create an image, I can link the image with, I'm going to stretch the boundary across the width of the board. It doesn't have to fit exactly, but close enough. And you can see that there is an icon in the middle of the box. I can change that. If you look in the lower left-hand corner, if you wanted to make this an actual web address or an image address, you could paste that link in there at the top. Or if you want to just have a text link, I'm going to call this Classroom Whiteboard. And if you click on the box next to it where it says icon, you have a number of different icons you can use for the picture. So in this case, I'm going to click on, since it's a whiteboard, I'm going to click this icon here, a black circle. So when the picture is finalized and I import it into my website, when you mouse over and click on this symbol here, you're going to see the words White Room Classboard. I can do the same thing for different features of the room. For example, if I wanted to highlight what this is the television. I type in television. Choose my icon. In this case, I want to make it a red star, and just click Save Tag. So when I mouse over it, it says television, and click on it, it says television. So here you can identify the different parts of your room, the different features, to give kind of like a virtual tour of the different features in your classroom, especially in this case if you have a lower elementary classroom. Chart paper. Choose my icon. I'm going to choose an exclamation point and click Save Tag. If I want to identify this table here, I click on the image, I stretch the boundary box. I'm going to call this the Panda table. Choose my icon. I'm going to make it a pink heart. Click Save Tag, so when I click on the pink heart, it identifies it as the Panda table. And I mentioned you can also make a link. You can also create links to outside resources such as a video on YouTube. So, for example, we have this state flag here. So I'm going to click on here and create a boundary box around the state flag, around the national flag, not the state flag, but the U.S. flag. In this case, I've already chosen. I'm going to switch over to YouTube, and I found a Pledge of Allegiance video that I want to link to. So I'm going to copy and paste the URL address for this YouTube video. And I'm going to paste that in the link or image address box where it says Edit Tag. Click Paste. In the text box, I'm going to type United States flag. And for the icon, I'm going to choose a blue play button to indicate that it's a video. I'm going to save my tag. And I'm going to say, and once I'm done, I've highlighted several things in my THINGLINK. I click Save. So, this is what my image looks like, and you can see there's a banner going in the middle that's not going to appear when you share this picture with other people or on a website. So if you want to go back and edit it some more, you can click Edit. You can click Touch if you want to collect images that you like. This is where you would share it. To share this, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to embed this onto my Weebly site. So if I click Share, I'm going to copy the code to the clipboard, and it copies the URL code, the HTML code. Click that Close. And I'm going to switch over to my Weebly site. And at the bottom of my Weebly site, I'm going to choose the Embed Code feature, drag it over to this section here, and click to set Custom HTML. And this is where I'm going to paste the URL code. And then I'm going to put into that box, and what that does, it's going to embed that image into my website. So for example, when I mouse over, you can see that the links that I included are featured. And when I click Publish, it publishes my changes. And I go to my actual live Weebly site. There's the image that I created through THINGLINK, and I embed it. So for example, if I click on, if I go over television, there's television, classroom whiteboard, chart paper, Panda table, and especially if you click on here, and you might not be able to hear this, but it's playing the Pledge of Allegiance video that I linked to. So that's basically how you use THINGLINK. It's a really easy website that allows you to create active links to pictures that you could use for projects. You could use it for your classroom website, for basically anything you can imagine it to. Very easy, takes just a few minutes to do it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.